Understanding wax types. Highlight the differences between hard and soft wax, and why hard wax is ideal for sensitive areas like a Brazilian wax. Prepping the skin for success. Discuss the importance of exfoliating the skin 24-48 hours before waxing to remove dead skin cells and reduce the risk of ingrown hairs. Choosing the right tools. Showcase essential items for a smooth waxing session, such as a wax heater, applicator, sticks, and a soothing post-wax gel. Temperature matters. Emphasize the importance of heating wax to the right temperature range, but not hot, to avoid burns and ensure easy application. The direction of hair growth. Explain how applying wax in the direction of hair growth and removing it against the direction ensures effective hair removal. Skin tension technique. Share the technique of holding the skin taut during wax removal to reduce pain and achieve cleaner results. Patch testing for sensitivity. Advise viewers to test a small area of skin before proceeding with the full Brazilian to check for allergic reactions. Pain relief strategies. Include tips such as taking a pain reliever 30 minutes before waxing or using a numbing cream for a more comfortable experience. Breaking the wax into sections. Demonstrate waxing smaller areas one at a time for better control and less discomfort. Cleaning the skin. Stress the importance of cleaning the skin thoroughly before waxing to remove oils, sweat, or lotions that could interfere with adhesion. Post-wax aftercare. Highlight the need to moisturize and soothe the skin using aloe vera gel or an anti-inflammatory cream after waxing. Avoiding common mistakes. Discuss mistakes like reapplying wax on the same area, pulling the strip too slowly, or using wax that is too hot. Cooling compress. Suggest using a cold compress immediately after waxing to calm irritated skin and reduce redness. DIY sugar wax alternative. Offer a quick tutorial for making sugar wax at home as a natural alternative for waxing. Frequency of waxing. Educate viewers on maintaining a smooth finish by waxing every 3-4 weeks, depending on hair growth cycles. Hygiene practices. Explain the importance of sterilizing tools and maintaining hygiene throughout the process to avoid infections. Body positioning tips. Share positioning tricks for hard-to-reach areas, like using a mirror or enlisting a trusted partner's help. Addressing ingrown hairs. Provide tips on treating and preventing ingrown hairs, such as exfoliation and avoiding tight clothing post-wax. When to seek professional help. Advise viewers when to consider professional waxing, such as for first-timers or those with very sensitive skin. Boosting confidence. End with a motivational tip on how waxing boosts confidence and self-care, emphasizing the empowerment of mastering at-home Brazilian waxing. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one.